Okay, so if you've been dealing with these loose dentures for a long time and you've been, wanting to replace it, our options are you can do a snap-on denture. That means we could use the denture. If you like the denture that you're using, we can retrofit it. So we're gonna put implants and then make your denture fit over the implant to make it more stable. If you don't like your existing dentures and you want to replace it, like you don't like the color of the teeth, you don't like the color of the gums, or if you've had it for so many years and you want it replaced, sure, we can replace that as well. And if you want it more stable, then we're going to put the implants in and then make a whole new denture for you and make it more natural looking as opposed to what you have now. Another option would be, you could upgrade that where you don't have to take your dentures in and out, and you can do a fixed bridge, upper and lower, and you don't have to take that out. You can, once we put the implants in, once we put on the bridge, you would just have to come every 6 months, and then we make sure everything is still fitting well and you're taking care of it. And of course you have to take care of these, you lost your teeth for a reason, and you don't want to lose these, because you want to make sure you take care of it, because anything that you take care of is going to last long.